Hey guys, welcome to VRK Homemaker. Today I'm going to share with you in this video our special recipe which is KFC chicken. Very crispy, tasty and delicious and very juicy inside and very healthy also because it really boosts your immunity power as well. This we are preparing at home. So it is very healthy. So please try to prepare at home. Now let's get started. The take broad bowl so that it will be very easy and comfortable to mix. Just added 300 ml of curd. Now I just added chicken pieces which is soaked for half an hour in salt water. Yes, before marinating this chicken for KFC chicken, you have to soak this chicken for half an hour in salt water. This is ready now. After half an hour soaking the chicken in salt water, just add it to the curd of 300 ml. I just taken 1.5 kg of chicken here. For that I've added 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of salt. As per your taste you add it. Now I'm just adding a black pepper powder of 1 tablespoon. Now I'm gonna add a 1 tablespoon of garam masala. And guys, this is really a delicious crispy KFC chicken and it is awesome. It is done. Just add 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger garlic paste which is homemade one, and now just give a nice mix to the chicken. Like you have to massage it well, each and every piece you have to massage well so that all the this marination will really go inside the chicken, as well as it will really look how I'm doing it for the each piece. And you have to mix in the same way, just press slightly so that the this marination really will go inside the chicken and really give a very juicy chicken. Because we this chicken we just soaked it in a salt water, so it is very soft, so that it is very easy to suck all the salt as well as the marination what we are doing it. This marination what you have to do is you have to refrigerate it for at least 6 hours. If you keep overnight also it will be more tasty, but I have just refrigerated for 6 hours. The same thing, same chicken, you have to rest this for 6 hours. Now in meanwhile we'll just do something. After 6 hours I just started making coating powder, which I've added 2 cups of maida, which is all purpose flour. Now I'm adding a half cup of rice flour and half cup of corn flour, and these flours are really good to coat your KFC chicken. Just add 1 tablespoon of salt as per your taste. You just add it as per your quantity of your chicken, please add it. Now this is very important step. What we have to do is just take a bowl and add some refrigerated water, which is cold water. If you have ice cubes also, please add it. It will be more cold we need because to prepare this KFC chicken. And now I'm just adding 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, and just give a nice mix to the mixture so that all salt and little bit of pepper powder will mix well. And we added 3 purpose of flour, so that this is really seasoned flour, so that it is very good to have a very good taste for the KFC chicken. Now just mix well. Now this is the chicken which I refrigerated for 6 hours. And now this each and every piece, not only the leg piece or anything, this chicken if you have its skin it is more nice, but here I'm just doing it without skin here because I don't like skin, so I just preparing without skin. But for KFC chicken, if you have skin it's better. If you are preparing, please prepare with skin, it will be more tasty. Now just mix well. Once you bring from the refrigerator, just have a nice mix, and then we'll start coating it. Now just I showed you the coating powder how to prepare. Now just dip it into that, just give a nice press it nicely so that all the coating will go inside and really give a nice crispiness. And this is way you have to prepare a KFC chicken, and very easy guys. Only thing, this coating part you have to do it very slowly. This will really takes time, and even you have to cook this in a very low flame so that your chicken will cook well, as well as it will not burn, your coating will not burn. And the color also I'll show you in the end of the video. Just press nicely and coat well. Now what you have to do is take the strainer. Inside that you have to keep the chicken piece as well. You have to dip it into the cold water. Look at the texture how it got. Wow, superb. No, now what you have to do, same piece you have to again, you have to recoat it with the same flour. like mix well, and now don't give a much of pressure first time what you did. Now just slightly you just give coating top of that, because we dipped in a cold water, so it will really stick well the coating, and it will not come out when you just drop it in the hot oil. And now this is ready, guys. Now even the hot oil also ready. Now just breadcrumbs is optional. If you want, you dip it. If not, also that's okay, but I have a breadcrumb, so I'm just dipping it in the breadcrumbs also. So this is ready. Now let's put into the hot oil, the pan which I'm gonna show you now. Just you have to drop it into that. Once you done this step, just immediately you have to drop the one more piece I'm showing. This is not leg piece, normal piece, same way you have to just do the way I'm doing it, so that the sticky extra powder will really fall down. Now I'm just adding it to the pan, which is very hot oil it should be, and then just cook in a very low flame. After 10 to 15 minutes, look at the color how it has come. The chicken is cooked well because I've cooked in a very low flame, and even the color also not changed. Look how I'm just cooking very low flame only. Now this is how finally it looks. Wow, it was really very crispy. You can have with the red chili sauce or with the mayonnaise or anything if you want. If you have cheese or like sandwiches, anything you can have, really feel a KFC taste it at home only. Please prepare this at home and let me know how really felt with the taste, how crispy you got, let me know. And if you have any doubts also, please, you're most welcome. And this is how overall the look is, guys. Really it is very easy and delicious recipe. Your kids love to have this. And who are watching me for the first time, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get my new notification. Until then, take care, bye bye.